Jagtap sir, and then lecture coordinator Yadav sir, and special thank to KK College of Agribusiness Management to give me chance for presenting this topic in front of you. Okay, right now discuss about present scenario of social media in right now. In India, so many social media platforms used in a farming system, scientists, students for the betterment of farming community. Right now, the social media tools such as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp are becoming greater way of sharing information about agriculture produce and agriculture marketing. The use of social media in agriculture marketing is increasing rapidly nowadays. Many service provider companies are giving better facility to the farmers. Social media are used to communicate directly with the customer, service provider, information sharing center. Farmers are using social media to increase their produce at each stage. Social media and information communication technology start sharing of creation, information, advice for the particular class. Social media is becoming powerful tool and connect millions of people globally. The farmer are using social media because it has ability to connect with farmers, agribusiness, stakeholder, student. To certain extent, social media for agriculture marketing provides solution to the agriculture marketing problem. The main purpose of social media, sharing information and creating awareness. Right now, the most popular social media among the farmers is Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. In addition to use of social media on a personal basis, they tell their story of success fail. They also share the update regarding harvesting, post-harvesting, agriculture produce, market information, so and so. Okay, now discuss about what is the scenario of social media in farming community. Right now, see the okay. Then what is the social media? Any media connected to the internet which enable interaction between the two and more people. You see on a slide number so many social platforms used right now. Farmers, stakeholders, scientists for getting the information regarding the student syllabus, then farming community, then ICT tools. These are the chapati diagram or per person per minute use the so many social platform for per minute. You see the Facebook 1.3 million logging per minute. These are the present scenario of social media use overall the per head. Then Google 4.1 million search different type of information. Then Netflix, then Twitter, then WhatsApp, then Instagram. These are the right. Then TikTok also, even though means so many platforms use the student stakeholder or per second. These are the latest information from 2020s. Then these are the some social media users around the world. You see the comparison between 2010 to 2020. In 2010, particular 970 millions used for the social media. Then, as compared to 2020, 4 billions are participants use the social media for all the world. Means this graph day by day increase because awareness of the in society is very clear regarding the social media. Then this people that the social media used around the world. In 99% people use the getting the information and perception about new technology through mobiles. 99% because mobile is a very easy technology and easy tools use the farmers and stakeholders. This data July 2020. Then these are the another PPT, global digital growth. You see total population and active social media users day by day increase. You see July 2020 to July 2019 comparison between two technology and two impact about the global digital growth. Then frequently use of social media. In this slide, so many social media just like Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. In this social media, Facebook 74% right now participant use the daily uses. You see the graph. 74% farmer and other student use the Facebook for the different type of technology, broadcasting is a farm as well as is study. Then during lockdown, COVID-19 situation, out of 19 countries, India number 3 for using the internet during the lockdown. Because lockdown, so many market problem, also student problem. That's why Indian people most use the internet 55% as compared to other country. Because during lockdown, so many farmers not provide the market platform, don't about any information about MSP, about per crop, and also student getting the registration and admission from different university through internet, means different type of social media. That's why India number 3 as compared to other countries. Means these PPT show that Indian people and Indian student are more awareness and more accuracy creating any knowledge. You see this type of PPT. And everybody requests you see and clear each and every PPT. Lastly, I ask each and every question regarding this PPT. I humble request you see on this PPT. Then daily time spent using the social media. Out of 47 countries, India number 20, 2.25% daily time spent on social media. These are the overall data, not for particular agriculture and other information. Because so many youngsters using the whole day on Facebook and WhatsApp for take the so many other information. But I told about accurate information, gaining any participant and any stakeholder only for original information, not fake information. These are the overall data. And then also these are the social media handbook for agriculture development and practice. This handbook released by and published by Manage. Manage means National Institute of Agriculture Extension Management, located at Hyderabad. This social media handbook contains so many parameters. What is the impact of social media? Which tool use in social media? What is the advantage? What is the disadvantage? And below the link should be available in soft copy for these books. After completion of this lecture, you visit the Manage website. So many ICT tools information you get from this website. Okay. 2 minutes ago, I discussed about scenario of social media, India as well as overall countries. Right now, see the different type of social media platform. Right now, use the university level, farm level, village level, and other abroad levels. Okay, right now, number first, social networking site. Right now, these are the very famous social media platforms. And these platforms use the every participant. An example of Facebook and Google Plus. Mostly used for creating personal profile and network with friends, colleagues. They are most popular from the social media platform and have the highest reach, mainly because of the personal reach. Google Plus and Facebook. These are the very biggest platform. In the previous slide, you see 74% participant use for Facebook for the during this situation. Okay, second one, blog and vlogs. Example, Blogger and WordPress. These are the containing earlier from the social media. They are mostly personal weblog, but are increasing being used by corporate house to reach their client. Media richness is high in the blog, but not so much in vlogs. Generally, blog used in a higher institute, university, and college levels. The third number is micro blogs, Twitter and Instagram. These are the also important and popular social media. In this media, similar to blog with character restriction, only 140 per Twitter, and allow users to create and share content. Media richness is high, as in blog. Used for hashtag for highlighting content. Mostly used in microblog, help in index of content, make them easily searchable by other users. Okay. Then fourth one, collaborative product wikis. Generally, this platform used for abroad or export and import of our vegetables and other products. Generally, this platform contain joint and simultaneous by users. Media richness is generally low, but they can become the main source of information for users due to mere diversity and broad-based coverage. Okay, then fifth one, social bookmarking, Delicious and Blink list. These are the also type of social platforms. This platform containing group-based collection, rating and sharing of internet links, different type of internet links, marketing, other syllabus, other market price, and media content, low media richness. Then six, virtual social worlds. These are the second life example of social media. In this media, users are generally in their 3D avatar, interact in a virtual environment. Means this platform used for organized exhibition, campaign, seminar at bulk level. Means near about 1,000 million participants for join this platform with capacity of internet. This platform give users the unlimited scope for self-presentation strategy. Users can also create content online and give opportunity to cooperate house for virtual ad, e-commerce and marketing research also. Then another 7 number, social gaming, World of Warcraft and farm books. Generally in your India, out of 12 social media, use the very less, because in this social media, not any awareness about this. So many social media use the abroad as well as other countries. Because in India, only few people use the 12 social media. Okay, then contain similar to virtual social world with high social presence and media richness. The users can interact with each other through scope of the self-presentation, self-disclosure is somewhat limited. They can also be by corporate house for communication, campaign, reach millions of users. Then last one, these are the very favorite platform, content communities, including video, YouTube, Instagram, then SoundCloud, podcast, Office, PDF. These are the very useful platform. Right now, these are the present scenarios. These are the form to share specific type of content easily among many users. Media richness is high or specific content. They are easy mean to reach a global user based on interesting way for the two-way communication process. Then 9.1 forum discussion board and groups. These are the another social media platform, including the Google Hangout, Blackboard discussion group and groups. In this example of content creation and sharing among the use of specific interest or activity is earlier. Media richness is medium as all platforms do not support various format of content. Okay, then 10 socially integrated messaging platform, WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger and Snapchat. These are the highly popular due to group messaging option and high media richness. Users can create and share any form of content in a group to individual. Then 11 number professional networking. Generally, this platform used for research institute means research gate and LinkedIn. These are the specially for professional networking. This platform increase the scope for scientific discussion among the peers and experts in the specific field. Increase networking among professionals, increase to the scope, search finding to disseminate among the wider audience and transfer of technology from lab to lab. Then last one, social news. Reddit and Proper and Dig. These are the example of social news. News atom sharing platform where users can comment on the post. Generally, this social news and this platform used for current news channel, just like Aaj Tak, then G News, India TV. This type of platform reporter used for transfer the any news from any area to any places. Okay, 2 minutes ago, see the social platform using in generally the each and every place. Right now, see the why use of social media, because you study on your graduation level, PG level, and practical level. Why use of social media right now used in every sector, and what is the advantage and disadvantage for these are the particular sector. Right now, see number first, highly cost effective. Then simultaneously reach large number of clients. Then location and client specific, problem oriented. Then easily accessed from mobile phone, because mobile phone is a very common instrument, easily available in every places and also very cheap rate. Then increase internet presence of extension organization in their client reach, because nowadays so many internet package available on each and every companies, this idea BSNL so and so. That's why no any problem for use the social media and bring all stakeholders into the single platform, because you organize any seminar, any meeting, any Kisan Goshti program in a single platform. That's why so many progressive farmer, their marginal farmer and small farmer come together and discussion about market problem, then organic farming, then cow-based agriculture, so and so. They can measure reach and success by tracking number of visitors, friends, followers, mention, Facebook like, index and number of shares. Okay, now see a different type of mobile application. Right now, in every student and farmer in mobile have so many application in different type of agricultures. These are the list of agri application released by and made by different agricultural university, then ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, and NGO. You see, these are the so many name of mobile applications. Then particular, these are the screenshot of Indian Council of Agriculture Research website. You see so many icon as per subject. Top level, crop science, then horticulture science, then agriculture education, animal science. Then second number, Kisan Mitra. This mobile application developed by Navsari Agriculture University, and this application is a very biggest famous in South Gujarat as well as Gujarat. In this application, you open this application on your mobile, you contain so many parameters and so many icon. Just like new variety released by university, ICAR, then new cropping pattern, new package of practices of particular variety, then different type of recommendation, and different type of release variety and new technology. Then second one, KVK online agreement. In this application, you know about different type of market price and market condition, APMC also. These are the application is very useful, and you tell your friend colleague this application download on your mobile and transfer the information to your client, means your farmers. These are the second screenshot of this official website. Then a different type of, these are the crop science mobile based application, cotton application, groundnut, another fodder purpose crop, seed spices, so and so. This also very famous website, Government of India, M-Kisan. You see this website, number of SMS sent every day, number of farmers join this official website, advisory count. Right now these figures. And this M-Kisan, very successful official web for the Government of India. Anybody farmer requests to join this M-Kisan, first of all, you fill your personal information, just like your name, your mobile number, so and so. They enter your mobile number and password, create your personal profile, and every morning and every afternoon, M-Kisan application send the message regarding weather forecast, different type of MSP, what is the crop condition, what is the agriculture scheme regarding useful for farming communities. You also visited this M-Kisan. Then also farmer portal. These are the another farming, betterment of farming community website. You see, right, different type of icon, also left, agriculture corners, home page, then different type of seed available. Seed available means as per region. Suppose Maharashtra sowing, Maharashtra farmer cultivated different type of seed as per area, North India, South India, mean all India different type of farmers. You purchase seed through online with better quality. Then also pesticide, different type of pesticide available, then fertilizer, then livestock. Then you see right icon, M-Kisan portal, then different type of RTVY project, then agriculture census, so and so. Also, these are our Central Agriculture Minister 2 years ago launched this e-NAM, means National Agriculture Market. These are the very biggest platform for each and every farmer selling our own product at own basis, not any middleman, nor any local middleman. Download Kisan Rath application through this e-NAM. e-NAM especially for you update your current market price. You see this right icon, so many community with different type of pulses, cereals, so a different type of mobile application only for government release the agriculture scheme and agriculture technology. All the information available Kisan Rath application. You see, all the activity regarding agriculture scheme and so and so. Then how to register guideline for the e-NAM. national agriculture market. You see so many tips given by on your PPT how to registration guideline for the ENAM. Then this also official screenshot of Maharashtra government official website. You see upper icon so many different type of subject. For example, soil testing. Then e-chopal means Shetkari Katta. Then Yojana means different type of agriculture scheme. And e-commerce means different type of online scheme. For example, PM Sanman Nidhi Yojana. Also, all the information available on this website. How to register, how to benefit, and how to installment for farmers. All the information available in this website on your Marathi language, means Deshi language, your local language. Because farmer not understand English language and others language. That's why this local language is useful for the perception of any information. Okay, now this portal for rice knowledge management. Those farmers cultivated only rice crop. This farmer use for this information. Suppose how to sowing for rice, which month, which variety useful for rice cultivation, which package of practices used for rice knowledge management portal, and how to measure what is the market price. All the systematic information available on this website. You see top level and only two search point. One is a different type of language, means in 35 language available for this portal. Then sideward search. For example, what is the management of disease and pest? You search on this topic. A different type of remedy available on these portals. This also sponsored by ICAR. And below link available for the more information is below slide. Okay, now discuss about the major tool for agriculture. Right now, so many farmers, also students, stakeholder, agri businessmen using this platform, because this platform is very easy available and very simple to use this platform. This platform farming community in India has increasing started using social media tool in general as well as for sharing farming based information. The number of Facebook groups are being used to share information about diverse topics in agriculture. The first of all advantage of Facebook: share the agriculture message, content with agriculture pages, professional group, organization, then different type of post photos regarding agriculture field, create a professional group for chatting within your district specific theme to share knowledge, post video for your operational important demonstration, interaction with farmer and application of latest technology. These are the main scenario of Facebook. Right now, see some example. These are the official page Facebook of Navsari Agriculture University. You see, these are the front building of Navsari Agriculture University, means these are the university bhavan. Then right one, these are the technology, transfer of technology to the lab to farmers. Means these are the MOU of university technology through Facebook. You see 26 technology transfer with the different farmer and progressive farmer and farm. You see these are the official Facebook of Navsari Agriculture University. Then second one, this also official Facebook of Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK at Navsari. This information upload each and every video regarding off campus, and different type of agriculture scheme upload on Facebook, and each and every adapted village farmer see this type of information. These are the official Facebook account of ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. because ICAR work in research, education and extension. Any news, latest post on Facebook. For example, different agriculture technology release, different type of variety, different technology, how to management of fisheries, then how to Kisan call center, then this type of all the technology post on Facebook every day. This also Tamil Nadu Agriculture University Facebook account, Kerala Young Farmer Association also on Facebook. In different type of Kerala farmer joined in this association for only coconut crop. They mention the different type of package of practices from one place to another. The discussion about how to care for coconut during this season, during the lockdown. How to market platform provide for the particular Kerala farmers. Means so many topics discussed on this platform. Okay, these are the favorite WhatsApp tools. Everybody knew about how to use for this application. Only for transfer of technologies. Okay, right now WhatsApp being used for sharing agriculture-based information by farmers in India. These groups are being managed by farmers themselves, especially progressive farmer, and few instant by resource person such as agriculture officer and agriculture scientists. Information being shared through text, picture, video, making it. It is the dynamic information exchange platform. The group have members across different states with domestic ability of this tool to disseminate information across the physical boundaries. These are the main parameter and advantage of WhatsApp group. These are the particular WhatsApp group of Krushi Vigyan Kendra Navsari farmers. You see top level organic farmer KVK group. In this group, near about 200 farmers join at one platform. And every morning, KVK scientists share the agriculture and cow-based agriculture information, organic farming. What is the organic farming? What is the advantage? How to preparation of different type of input, means Dharamrut, Jivamrut, Panchagavya, different type of waste decomposer, means all the information scientists provide on this platform through video and text message. Then another, you see the another group Pigeon P, only for those farmers borrowing and cultivation Pigeon P crop, only those farmers join this group. Then you see Gujarat Pragatil Kheduna group, means Gujarat progressive farmers join this group. Near about 150 farmers from only Navsari district join this group. Then another All India Fisheries Scientist Group. Right now, Indian government mandate 2022 double the income of farmers. That's why very big role play in fisheries extension in the doubling the farmer of income. Means this all the tools used for doubling the income of farmer. Because in India, 78% farmer has a marginal. Marginal means those farmers have only acre and gunta land. That's why double the income not possible. That's why use the different type of ICT tools, social media. Also, supplementary business means fishery science, poultry farming, integrated farming, so and so. These are the Gujarat fish farmers. Also another WhatsApp group. These are the very big success story. Or these are the Punjab farmer groups. These farmers making the different type of group as per need-based farmer, means cereal, pulses, then vegetables, then flour. These farmer very important. Every day sharing the agriculture information, each and every groups. And these farmer last year got different type of awards through agriculture department. Then also another group e-horticulture. Means this group only for horticulture information, how to sowing vegetables, then horticulture crop, just like mango, sapota, how to care during the high temperature in mango. Right now, sapota in Maharashtra, Konkan region and Raigad region, fruit dropping problem in sapota is very big problem. That's why everybody farmer solve this problem on through WhatsApp group. Then Twitter for agriculture. Right now, the Indian government full focus on latest agriculture scheme. Transfer lab to land means root level. Then these are the Twitter is a very big platform sharing the information right now. Disseminate agriculture innovation and technology for better impact. Tweet about government announcement, newspaper article, farmer scheme, event, which is the link to original sources. Share important photograph, image, which demonstrate technology and practices. Encourage farmer to tweet their issues, problem, and post photo from the field. These are the main platform of Twitter. Also, you see on the PPT, these are the official Twitter account of your Indian Council of Agriculture Research. You see, right, our agriculture minister, sir, also sitting on the address, public address to the National Innovation Mission through Twitters, and also celebration of different days, exhibition. All the information post on Twitter, and this information shared to the another university and another research centers. This also Twitter account KVK Navsari. KVK Navsari update latest information, is his farm, which are the cultivation practices, which scheme run by KVK, which are the scheme betterment of farming community, which are the new variety useful for the KVK Navsari. You write icon, our Prime Minister Modi sir launched 2 months ago one central agriculture scheme. This scheme and this program KVK Navsari goes through Twitter for all the India. That's why these are the major benefits of Twitter right now. Then also official account of Twitter, Navsari Agriculture University. Because Navsari Agriculture University last 5 years different type of variety release. In 25 variety release 5 years, there different type of agriculture research center, a different type of Krishi Vigyan Kendra, also training center. Means all the information post on Twitter accounts, and this information useful for the also scientists and farmers and also students. Those are create awareness regarding the Twitters. Then also official account of Agriculture India, because any agriculture scheme released by Government of India, that's why you see the right icon. So many chief minister joined for this Twitter accounts. So many agriculture minister joined for this account, because first release the any agriculture scheme on these Twitters. Then every agriculture secretary this scheme transferred to the each and every state through this Twitter account. That's why each and every farmer knew about this scheme through these Twitter accounts. Then another YouTube for agriculture. Right now YouTube is a very biggest platform to the farmer. Right now useful for sharing the YouTube's different type of skill, different type of agriculture, so and so. Has become quite popular platform on specific information about farming, just like new channel, Agriculture Research Institute, non-government organization, source for uploading their videos. That's why this video see the all Indian country. This also official YouTube channel KVK Navsari. You see different type of scientists, just like agronomy, horticulture, fisheries, home science. Each and every farmers getting the new type of training. Then after completion of training, upload new scheme need based program on YouTube. Different type of dairy sector, mushroom sector, polyhouse sector, then cow-based agriculture, organic farming. So many new video upload on YouTube channels. Also, these are the ICR YouTube videos. Then Kisan Kerala, you see it below link. Progressive farmer success story upload on YouTube. Then animal science, how to care, and different type of honeybee cares. This so many video upload on these channels, each and every. Suppose in your particular Maharashtra region, in particular Nasik, how to grape cultivate, right now pruning trading, now cultivation practices, run out these farmers. That's why you use all the information on YouTube. How to create, how to disease based management, sugarcane, cotton, each and everything you search on YouTube. Okay, now see these are the some success story in India and across the India. They're making the group of farmers in India, abroad, how to making the Facebook success with the making the group of farmers. Then name of group, first of all you see the Livestock Information and Marketing Center. These are the Facebook group made by agriculture stakeholder related to livestock. This group only India, members, farmer extension personnel, scientists, and marketing functionaries, customer, local leader of this group share information related to livestock production, management, and marketing. Then second, only for turmeric farmers, Association of India, and you see below this Facebook developer for link. Those farmers cultivated in Maharashtra turmeric, you visit this website. This website for this page was created by turmeric farmer to stabilize price of turmeric in the market till date. The farmer connect through the page and share information to keep turmeric price stable and increase marketing opportunity among the farmers. This also India run by this group. The third one, these are the abroad country group. The name was Peru. The National Ecological Producer Association, APNE. This group important for information related to ecological farming is shared through this page. These are the information related to ecological abroad, particular, not in India. Then these are the particular tutors. AgriChart. AgriChart is the name of group generally run by USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and Ireland. This information is started in 2009 by group of American farmers. Is widely used in USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand for the facilitating discussion of industry issue between the farmer and agribusiness, also stakeholder. And these are the main benefit of this Twitter name of groups that target users. Now see the next group from Kenya. This all the group is very successfully run by number of farmer group. Then these are the young farmer. The name was young farmer. This group generally for information shared through this Twitter handle for the foundation of young farmers share information for better agriculture with the objective attract to farming. Then another last one, USA. The name of group name is a USDA. For the Twitter handle, US Department of Agriculture share the latest news, event, information in agriculture. These are the very successful Twitter account in abroad. As compared to India, if not successful in Indian Twitter group, because come together, these are the very biggest problem in India. That's why, as compared to abroad, not any success in his social media platform and group. Then next, also blog. These are the different type of blog success story of abroad in USA. Get to Plate blog. These are the very famous blog. Through this blog, agriculturist, stakeholder, founder of matter crops, the review about food and agriculture. Then next blog, Nigeria. These are the name of group. Their farmers blog posts are related to sustainable agriculture, environment, youth involvement in agriculture. The blog was winner of this awards. These are the second type of group. Different type of awards get through international level. Then global, then unconventional farmer group. The feature of top 50 farm blog by www.this website cover natural farming technique from Japanese and natural farmers. Topic range from farming technique to animal care or root level. These are the also success story of YouTube channel from the abroad. The farmer farming first. This YouTube channel highlight the mission of the agriculture development of the same name, founded in 2009, made up of 131 organization worldwide, farming first priority to the protection of natural resources, knowledge sharing, local infrastructure, harvest, market access, and innovative research for this YouTube. Then second one, also benefit for researcher, policy and policy makers. Research program on climate change and agriculture food security. These are the very biggest issue and this very biggest platform of farmers. This video shared by the channel features story of smallholder farmers, means very small farmer, marginal farmer. Interview with leading agriculture experts across the globe and innovative information on climate and smart agriculture. Then last one, UK farmer weekly videos. These are the very famous group in UK. These are the very famous YouTube channel, blog, Facebook run by India as well as abroad. So I request you to every student and scientist, this information transfer to your client farmers, your adapted village, working within your farms, also Ravi student. Use the all ICT tools and social media, how to use and how to impact. This information shared to the farmers and your parent, those cultivated in farming. Also, these are the YouTube success story. Then right now, what is the blog? Right now, blog very few percent people use in a scientist as well as agribusiness. Website or web blog post news, thought, comments, reflection, a typical blog, comments, text, image, link to other blog. Also, the Tamil Nadu Agriculture University blog is a unique initiative by Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. This blog developed by Agritech portal. In the example, these are the different type of Tamil Nadu agriculture blog, different type of subject. You see how many blog right now run by the Tamil Nadu Agritech portals. Different subject, just like agroforestry, then agri-biocity, ICT, mushroom cultivation, farming, organic farming, school organic farming, role of agriculture in different type of portals used for Tamil Nadu Agriculture Universities in a particular different language. Also, these are the slides here used for only for scientists and students. So sharing the different type of slide. The number of slide is more 50, 1700. This social media platform for your presentation from Gujarat to Maharashtra, then Jammu Kashmir to your Karnataka, so and so state. Then also research network. These are the also social platform for only for young scientists, students, also stakeholders and farmers. Because this platform, all India agriculture research developed by scientists, putting all the research paper, image and photo upload on this research network. And I request to particular last year student, suppose you get the admission PG, GRA, SRA, also NET. You all the syllabus and all the material you got on this research network. So and so, research paper regarding new topic, your seminar, your assignment, your project, with different type of information getting through. First of all, join this research network. Enter your name, mobile number, so and so. Let's open the home page and different type of link, research and different subject, just like agronomy, horticulture, biotechnology, animal science, and so. Then discussion forum. These social media generally used for abroad and to organization, just like Amul from Anand to your Sangamner and Nagar Dairy. Means two NGO and two university discussion about general topic. For university discussion, how to get admissions online, generally debate, discussion forum, so and so used for this platform. Right now, challenges and opportunity of social media in extension, because everybody knew about social media gives each and every reason, but in Amuk area, particular area, not provide for internet to the state government and central government. What is the some new challenges? Ensuring participation, quality control and monitoring of posts, then internet and IT infrastructure issue, satisfying heterogeneous users, then different type of these are the challenges to face the use of social media for encouraging the stakeholder versus resources through social media and link. Then what is the opportunity used for social media? Then views few social media application available without internet, because internet is a very component for using the social media. For example, in Maharashtra, in Nandurbar, in particular Nagpur, in remote area, not good facility for network. Even though village level in Nashik district, somebody internet facility is not available at village level. That's why any information not transferred to the remote area. First of all, you bridge between the network, then you emphasize the government for increasing the network for the network issue at village level. Then reaching one to many, then greater engagement and dialogues. These are the some opportunity for use the social media challenges. Then you see these are the some side effects of social media, because right now youngster so divert from this aim, ambition, careers. I think because so many students daily use of Facebook, WhatsApp only for own purpose, not for agriculture purpose. I request you to use the social media for only for need-based information. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Listen my lectures. Right now, topic for open for discussion. You have any problem regarding this slide, this session? You ask me right now.
Video.
Okay, Jadov sir. complete my session.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Now we will move towards the question and answers sessions. There are some questions. First question is that, sir, how we can...
Jadhav sir,
Yes.
I humble request to all the students, you have any problem for language, you ask me in local language. In Marathi also Hindi, no problem. Only you ask me. Okay.
Okay, sir. First question is that how we can obtain information about the current market prices of agricultural commodities through the social media.
Okay, Jadhav sir, right now, Young Kisan and iKedu, these are the two major ICT tools used for particular South Gujarat Navsari regions. Because you visit Young Kisan and iKedu portal, you get the latest information about new crop, MSP, particular pulses, cereal, vegetables. Every information online on these two social media platforms.
Okay, thank you, sir. Second question is that from where and how we can obtain social media handbook.
Yes, sir. Social book.
From where and how we can obtain social media handbook.
Okay, actually, in your lecture, discuss about this handbook available on Manage website, National Institute of Agriculture Extension Management, Hyderabad. This official website you visit, then so many right icon, this Word file, PDF file available on this website.
Okay, thank you, sir. And last question is that among the various social media, which social media is best in transfer of agricultural technology?
Generally, Facebook is a very important social media for transfer of technology. Then another second, WhatsApp. This only for farmers. And particular talk about student. The WhatsApp is a very important information because early wake up on in the morning, you on in Facebook and Twitter, WhatsApp. Good morning, good night, a different type of chatting. Only for farming community, only Facebook is a very important social media.
Okay, thank you,
Okay,
sir.
yes. Jadhav sir, I request you to, some students speak me in Marathi language. You ask me Marathi language.
ओके, आपल्या सेकंड इयर, थर्ड इयर आणि लास्ट इयरचे जे काही स्टुडंट्स इथे जॉईन आहे त्यांच्यापैकी काही स्टुडंट्सनी सुमित सरांबरोबर थोडंसं इंटरॅक्शन करा.
हे बघा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपलं जे लेक्चर झालं, या लेक्चर मध्ये फार महत्वाचे सोशल मीडिया आहे. कळालं तुम्हाला? हे सगळं सोशल मीडिया आपल्याला फार्मिंग कम्युनिटीसाठी युजफुल करायचे, नॉट फॉर पर्सनल. आणि भविष्यात तुम्ही जे बी काम करा हे फार्मिंग कम्युनिटीसाठी करा. कारण की याच्यामध्ये जे विद्यार्थी असतील ना, हे 90% विद्यार्थी हे शेतकऱ्यांची मुलं असतील. तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना माहिती की सध्या शेतकरीची काय परिस्थिती आहे. वेदर फोरकास्ट सगळ्यांना माहिती, वातावरण काय आहे, कॉटनचे काय समस्या आहे. त्यामुळे तुम्ही तुमच्या पॅरेंटला सांगा की नवीन टेक्नॉलॉजी यूज करा, नवीन आयसीटी टूल्स. त्यासाठी तुम्हाला फार इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. लास्ट इयरचे जे विद्यार्थी ना, त्यासाठी तुम्हाला करिअर तर आहेच महत्वाचं. तुम्हाला जे करायचंय, एमपीएससी द्या, एमएससी करा, जीआरएफ द्या, एसआयएफ द्या, नेट द्या, पण तुमच्याकडे आज टाइम नाही काहीतरी करून दाखवायचा. नंतर टाइम नाही. आणि तुम्हाला सांगतो बीएससी ऍग्री फार सॅच्युरेशन आहे प्रत्येक याच्यामध्ये. त्यामुळे तुम्हाला आताच टाइम आहे, काय तुमचं करिअर ऑप्शन निवडा. नंतर मग कॉम्पिटिशन फार आहे बाहेर, फार म्हणजे फार आहे बाहेर, तुम्हाला कळेलच ते.
ओके, स्टुडंट मधून कोणीतरी सरांसोबत इंटरॅक्शन करा. लास्ट इयर.
Only last year student asked me any question for your career opportunity for this topic. And also,
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon.
Sir, any program which run by government or any private institution which helps to those farmers which are illiterate and can't get the information from any social media. Is there any program to help those farmers?
Okay, what is your good name? Mansi.
Yes, Mansi.
Mansi, very good question. Right now, government of India launched so many schemes. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, then Pradhan Mantri Bima Yojana, then Pradhan Mantri Drip Irrigation Scheme, then Pradhan Mantri Prime Minister Organic Farming Scheme. These are all the schemes useful for farming community. You visit Young Kisan website and just click on agriculture scheme. Then fill up the forms for particular your name of farmers. And then attach the document. For example, Satbara Uttara, then ration card, Aadhaar card, so and so. Then you benefit for this particular scheme.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, there is also another one question.
Yes.
As we from last year students, so we get some information or for our thesis and projects. So, there any beneficial websites through we can get our thesis paper for reference and research paper? So, will help us many more on it.
Okay. Right now, so many agriculture university run by different type of website. First one is you write down on paper. Then aggregate, when this ResearchGate is only one platform for searching the new official your document and research paper. Then second one, Society of Extension Education.
Okay, sir.
Then third one, you visit the ICAR.in. This official website, you visit this website and you got the so many different projects for current scenario. And then another, Mansi.
Yes, sir.
The Doubling the Income of Farmer, the new book published by Government of India. This also available on ICAR homepage. So I request all the students, you download this book, Doubling the Farmer of Income 2020. This book, including all the new agriculture schemes, what is the impact, which are the parameters used for doubling the farmer income. And this book contains overall all the steps, not your, including the cropping pattern and how to income the double income of farmers. That's why you download this page, free of cost available.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Okay, another student, you ask me, don't shy. याच्यात लाजू नका, तुम्हाला जे प्रश्न विचारा.